Avoid these 5 drinks that can destroy your kidneys. Fast, surprising. When it comes to kidney health, being mindful of what you drink is essential. Here are 5 drinks that can be surprisingly harmful to your kidneys. 1. Sugary soft drinks, high in sugar and phosphoric acid. These can lead to kidney damage and contribute to obesity and diabetes. 2. Energy drinks, packed with caffeine and other stimulants. They can increase blood pressure and put extra stress on your kidneys. 3. Alcohol. Excessive consumption can lead to dehydration and liver damage, which can indirectly affect kidney function. 4. High-sodium drinks. Some vegetable juices and bottled soups can be high in sodium, which may lead to increased blood pressure and kidney strain. 5. Artificially sweetened beverages. Some studies suggest that excessive consumption of these drinks might be linked to an increased risk of kidney issues. Staying hydrated with water and being mindful of your beverage choices can help protect your kidneys.